Hello everyone, my name is Seda. In this slide, we will review how our evaluated concept met the marketing and engineering requirement outlined in the previous project assignment and finalize the overall progress made on the project. First of all, let's review the parameters that we have examined and transferred. We have two different need categories, engineering procurement and marketing procurement. You can see easy engineering requirements example of data rate, power consumption during usage, and marketing requirements example of easy to use efficiency cheap. And on the other slide, there is a flow chart that we passed through the project and where we are now. As you can see, the flow diagram, we are currently trying to establish this system architecture while using various software languages such as C and C++, Python, and MATLAB in software design. In the hardware system, we started to use control mechanisms such as FPGA, DAC, digital logic and analog module, and PCI in our current design. Interface design, on the other hand, can be done for free on the MacFlow site as a result of our research.
Hello, my name is Ferhat Bozkurt. Today, I'm going to speak about our privatization method. As we explained in the previous video, we did research and literature each group member and gated the results we obtained. Summarize, there are many signal generators for this job, but all signal generators not suitable for our project, especially the cost is not suitable for our project. We make the brainstorming and NGT. We first generated our idea by brainstorming and subjected these ideas to further literature research. Then in the brainstorming, everyone explained their ideas with the nominal group techniques steps. Our first idea was to generate the situation with the phone, take the directive from the idea output. And then our second idea was to use ICs like ME555 designed the generate waves. Our third idea was to generate these waves with the Arduino. We thought of using more crystal oscilloscopes, really different idea, but when we talked our expert instructions, we learned that we could not solve this station and reach for the 50 megahertz level. And in the line with the information we obtained later, we thought of using a microprocessor like ARM with a single output with our group friends. We unanimously decided on this idea because we thought that the microprocessor would also provide us with the great convenience in the connecting with the phone. In our group work, we made the progress embracing everyone's opinion. It's important, emphasizing, thinking, discussing, and asking the expert. We made it easier for us in terms of consensus.
Hi, my name is Furkan Amcaoğlu. That's smart controlled arbitrary waveform generator. That's the concept table. User interface and split two parts. Arbitrary waveforms generators case, surface and software screen to display. That's the part split one. That's the LCD screen. 3, voltage conversion. Voltage conversion split two parts. Digital analog converter and op-amp. 4, product variety types of signal. That's the part split one. That's the oscillator, 5, frequency of range and quality. That's the part split two, low pass filter and chopper amplifier. Smart controlled arbitrary waveform generators concept. You look at that feature. Communication is provided with the software interface we have created. The change of parameters in the signal generator can be observed with the LCD screen. Provides DS voltage conversion, different type of signal are produced with the oscillator. The low pass filter reduce the noise in the signal. Thanks, you listen to me.
Hi everyone, my name is Hasan Hüseyin Altuğ. My task in this presentation is to evaluate. We choose the evaluation method as the analytical hierarchy process. First, we do a prepaid comparison. 1 equal, 3 moderate, 5 strong, 7 very strong, 9 extreme. Here we set the selection criteria. Our criteria are efficiency, cost, waveform length, and output voltage. We take the geometric mean here of this criteria and determine their weights. We select alternative option and write down the calculate weights. We made calculation according to the data of the product. To find the score, we multiply and add up each product row with the paired comparison result. Here, this multiply and this add, this multiply, this add, result score. Thank you for listening to me.
And finally is checklist and self-assessment. Organization score is that. Visual aids is that. Presentation delivery is that. You can see. That's enough.